The This Morning presenter was about to hand over to Josie Gibson, who was in Birmingham but was unable to host as she began coughing. Holly Willoughby quickly excused herself but then had to run off camera to take a sip of water as she struggled to continue presenting. After listing what was still to come on the show, Philip said, "Before all of that, let's head back to Birmingham." Before he could finish, Holly turned away to cough, explaining, "Excuse me, I knew that was coming." Philip asked, "Are you alright there? Bless you?" Needing to cough again, Holly held up a finger and rushed off camera to grab a drink of water. Philip continued, "Are you coming back or should I crack on?" "I am, you crack on," Holly assured her co-host as the camera panned out to show her sipping a drink. "It's just gone down the wrong way." "Excuse me. You carry on," Philip asked. "I'll carry on. You don't need any help." Below Decks Captain Lee announces return as he shares health update. The Stud of the Sea will officially be returning to charter waters after a brief hiatus from Below Deck. Earlier in Season 10, Captain Lee Spock stunned viewers after he announced he would be stepping back from charter duties amid health issues. Although Sandy Yawn stepped into his role, fans were hoping Lee would return. As Holly gave him a thumbs up, he continued, "Okay, right then. We're going to go to our camping correspondent." "Are you having the time of your life, Josie? Talk quickly because we're man down, man down." The camera then cut to Josie, who was at Birmingham NEC exploring the latest camper vans and accessories on offer. Later, Holly rejoined Philip and apologized to viewers for having to rush off earlier in the program. On Thursday, Holly looked incredibly chic to host This Morning, opting for a jumper and dress combination. The presenter sported a low-cut floral pinafore dress from Oasis which was layered over a roll neck jumper from And Other Stories. Holly completed her look with black tights and heeled black boots. She wore her blonde locks pulled back into a chic bun and sported a slick of red lipstick. Fans were thrilled by Holly's look, with Nicola Boddington commenting, "Love that dress. Love this look and your hair looks so nice up, should have it up more often," another fan posted on Instagram. Ballard Jade added, "Wow, you look amazing. Fab job," as Phoebe_Maldives posted, "Good morning. Ooh, love your outfit, Holly." This Morning airs weekdays on ITV from 10 a.m.